What's up, gamers? It's your boy Oscar here, and today we will be trying out Flood Escape. I've never played this game in a long time, so here we go. I finally get to play it. So here we go. No, what did I do that? No. Stop. It won't turn off. I'm already dying. That's not fair. I did, really, I did. It just slipped. It was an accident. Fine, I guess I have to like do in this area then. By the way, I won't be on the quest. I won't be posting videos because about my birthday. So yeah, like, by the way, there's going to be, by the way, Robot Guide 2 is coming in April. If we get 555 or 600, I will release it somewhere. But it will take a long time. I'm being serious. I'm just saying. So yeah. And there will be a JMO's World and event. JMO's World. There'll be like JMO's World event birthday episode. Like, so yeah. And my Oscar the Gamer anniversary, yeah. By the way, I won't be on the quest 2 for long. I might getting a Meta Quest 3S. Ooh, I almost died. I'm not very good at obbies, so oh my god, I'm too scared to do this. Okay, try and get the code right. So we got that one right, and we did it. Thank you guys, not just kidding. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, not just kidding. I was just joking. 2 more left until I go to extreme. We're gonna do the horror mode. Okay, good. Where am I? Oh, it's some glitch again. That was not supposed to happen. Sorry about that. That was not supposed to happen. That was by mistake. So we're just going to wait for that one. So yeah. Also, I will be seeing the Minecraft movie on my birthday. And I'm dreaming of getting a quest free. If I get more money, like 300, but I'm not gonna get the 500 one because it's too expensive. So I'm picking like the new one with the 6 cameras or 7. But I'm definitely not getting the MetaQuest Pro because that costs like 1,000. Oh no. This is gonna be a pain in the butt. How many are there? No! Why did I fall down? Give me up! Yep, the water's coming. I'm dead. I'm stupid! I can't get up. This is out of the way. They should have moved it. I need 2 more wins. You know what? Let's do the easy one because there's so many people. Oh, we're totally gonna win this. No! Why? Why did I? Somebody died. Just like Dante's World. Dante's World is my very favorite game now. And also Gorilla Tag. But it's like 7 more days, I think. Yeah, 7. By the way, it's my mom's birthday today. Say happy birthday in the comments to my mom. By the way, I have the offshoot foundation tomorrow. No, the monkey! He can climb up, can he? Come on, you can do it. Can't they just make it already? This isn't Dandy's World. Ooh, this one's very easy. Oh, let me go over here instead. Ooh, I know what to do. No, I can't even make it. Look, you can't even do it. They just made it look harder. This is too easy. This isn't a hard mode. They're dead. Yeah, I'm never gonna make it. Let's do the game again. Shall we? Hot Pops. Hot Pop. Okay, sorry. It's this commercial I found. So, Ooh, that one's very easy, but kind of hard though. No! Yeah, that's the reason. That is the reason. That was easy. And kind of easy because that's a scam. Like if you go into the glass piece when you touch it, it'll break. This is a very easy one. You can use this map as a speed run. I should have done that. Come on, guys. Oh wait, I think I know it. Okay, so I need one more left. So see you guys when I get to one more thing. Okay guys, so we've gone to the harder mode now. We got extreme now. I don't know what to do in this area. So let's go over here. Oh no, this is very hard. Yes, get ready, I'm getting ready, oh my god. Here we go. Here I go, doing the harder bit. Where do I go? No! Dude, I couldn't even get through! They can't add walls there, that's not fair. Okay, so by the way, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll be making my first Dandy's World gameplay. So yeah, bye everyone, and I'll see you next time.